Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cool Godzilla with sunglasses. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cool guy Godzilla, we're going to begin by making some sunglasses. So I'm going to start right across here, and let's just draw a straight line, best you can, right across. Next, on each side of our line, let's make a little line that goes down. Then let's go in and down again. In and down. In and down. In and down. Next, let's make a line that's going to come across on each one. Let's make this one a little longer to kind of match. Next, let's go up on each one. Let's go over on each one. We'll go up. And then let's come right across here. Now, I want to make where the reflection is going to be. So we're just going to go up and over, and then up. Same thing here, up and over, and then up. We'll do that same thing here, up and over, and then up. Up and over, and then up. Now, starting here, let's make the nose. Let's begin by making a little bump here, and then a little bump right here. Then we're going to color in a little kind of oval inside each one. I'm going to curve a line down on each side. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve up and then down, and then back up. Almost kind of like a little mustache shape. Next, starting here, we're going to curve this line down and in, and then same thing here, just kind of go down and then in. And then right here, we're going to go down, we're going to come over, and then we're going to come up. Now let's make some teeth. So we're just going to make a big tooth and then like some smaller little teeth right around here. And then a couple little small ones behind here too. Now we're just going to make a little line across. Next, starting here, let's curve this line up, and let's curve this line up. We're going to make a line that's going to come out and in, and then out and in. Kind of like a little bit of the old school Godzilla style with the little ears. Then we're going to curve this up, and we're going to curve this up. Now, for his little hat, let's begin by making a line that's just going to curve out. We're going to come across, and then back in. Little line across. Then we're just going to make a line that's going to come up and down with a little bump on top. And then a couple little lines coming down. Then I like to make a little curve line just to kind of show the front of the brim of the hat. Next, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve down here, and a line that's going to curve down here. Then I'm going to make an extra line here, and an extra line here for some more detail. Now for the neck, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over, and we're going to bring this up. Let's draw a line down here and a line down here. And let's put a couple little lines across for some like detail on the neck. Next, for the collar of the shirt, let's just draw a line that's going to curve around the neck. Then let's make a line here and a line here. And then a line that curves out on each side for the shoulders. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cool guy Godzilla face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.